In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap crypto with zero fees using Kucoin Convert. Let's dive right in and get your crypto exchanges smooth and cost-effective. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Kucoin website. Kucoin is a popular platform known for its convenience and variety in crypto trading and exchange services. It's a great choice for users looking to swap their digital assets without incurring trading fees. Now, once you find yourself on Kucoin's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. If you haven't set up an account, you'll need to complete the registration process first, which involves a few simple steps like email verification. For those who already have an account, simply enter your credentials and sign in. After logging in, you'll find yourself back at Kucoin's main page. The next action is to head over to the Trade section. You can locate the Trade button on the navigation menu, often situated towards the top of the home page. Click on it, and this will bring up various trading options available on Kucoin. What we're interested in today is the Convert option, which allows you to swap one cryptocurrency for another with zero fees, a feature that sets Kucoin apart from many other exchanges that charge significant trading fees. Locate the Convert option, which is typically listed under the Trade section. Clicking on it directs you to the conversion process. This step is crucial as it opens the window where you'll execute your fee-free conversions. Now comes the straightforward part. You'll be prompted to enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you wish to convert. Make sure you have sufficient balance in your wallet for the currency you are looking to swap. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, displaying real-time conversion rates so you're always informed of what you're getting. Once you've entered the desired amount, double-check all the details before proceeding. It's always good practice to ensure accuracy to avoid any unwanted surprises or errors in your transaction. After confirming everything looks right, go ahead and hit the conversion button, which finalizes the swap. And just like that, you've successfully swapped your crypto without paying any fees. This method saves you money, especially if you frequently convert currencies. Kucoin's zero-fee swap feature is a testament to its commitment to providing value to its users and enhancing the overall crypto trading experience. By following these steps, you make the most of what Kucoin has to offer, keeping your transactions efficient and cost-friendly. Happy trading!